This is the brown list. Number 1 is lost. I'm going to look in the lost and found for my gloves. Number 2 is chose. I chose the hot lunch rather than the sandwich today. Number 3 is goat. I fed a goat at the petting zoo. Number 4 is slope. We went skiing down a steep slope. Number 5 is whole. I meant to eat half the brownie, but I ate the whole one instead. Number 6 is soft. I pet the bunny's soft fur. Number 7 is float. I didn't think that the boat would float in the windy weather. Number 8 is drove. I drove my car to the lake house. Number 9 is boat. I sailed a boat across the pond. Number 10 is soap. I washed the dog's fur with its special dog soap. Number 11 is foam. As the car went through the car wash, it got covered in foam. Number 12 is none. None of my neighbors were home this afternoon. Number 13 is toad. I found a toad in the pond. Number 14 is cross. You have to cross your T, otherwise it looks like an L. Number 15 is road. The road is closed because of construction. Number 16 is love. I love chocolate. I would have it for dessert every day. Number 17 is knock. The dog was not careful. If the dog is not careful, its tail will knock over the vase. Number 18 is load. It's time to load your backpack and get ready to go home. Number 19 is toast. I'll have a piece of toast with jam for breakfast. Number 20 is coat. It's warm enough that you don't need a coat today. Number 21 is stone. I had to stop walking because there was a stone in my shoe.